Here's more proof of me getting kicked off. 947. 948. I don't know why he would IP a premium match. I don't know why he's flooding it, but he is being a nerd. There it is.